I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming the essentials, then start the locator flow. First, make sure location, Bluetooth, and background location are on. These let nearby devices relay signals. Once done, open Find My or Find My device and sign in. Tap the missing device and enable offline finding or notify when found. Record the device serial or IMEI now. That helps support and carriers. Don't wait. Start these steps so the network of nearby devices can begin reporting its beacon immediately. Now you'll expand the search using advanced features. Enable any power reserve or low power network options so the device keeps broadcasting even with low battery. Next, trigger a sound or use the app's nearby scan to look for Bluetooth beacons. Check the app's last seen timestamp and network identifier to narrow time and place. If safe, share a temporary find link or location access with a trusted contact to coordinate a manual sweep. These steps increase the chance of recovery by extending beacon time and adding hands on the ground. Finish by securing the device and escalating if needed. Go to the last known location from the app. If you reach the area, use sound and nearby scan. Enable lost mode or remote lock to protect data. Only erase remotely as a last resort because erasing removes tracking. If theft is suspected, contact your carrier and local police with the IMEI or serial. If the device still doesn't appear offline, sign out and back into your account. Reset network settings on other linked devices and retry scanning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.